Hi, it's Sir Ivy again. Thank you for coming back. Are you ready to read? Awesome! So since you're ready, stay with this video so I can teach you. Let's go! Alright, so let's go ahead and review our short basic A sound. So this is the mommy letter A and this is the baby letter A. Ano nga uli ang sound ng letter A? Very good. Yes, that is A. A. Kapag magkatabi itong dalawang letter na ito, ano nga uli ang basa sa kanila? Oh, wag mong kakalimutan mag-sound. Ano ang sound neto? Good job. Yes, that is B. Tas kapag tinabihan ni letter A, good job. That will be ba. One more time. Ba. And this one, what is the sound of this again? Perfect. Yes, that is K. Tapos may katabing A. So that will be, good job. Yes, that is Ka. Ka. This one, what is the sound of this letter again? Yes, that is D. Tapos may katabing A. So ano na ang basa sa kanila? Very good. Yes, that will be Da. Da. And this one, what is the sound of this again? Perfect. Yes, that is F. And then, kapag may katabing A, that will be very good. Yes, that is Fa. Fa. This one, what is the sound of this again? Perfect. Yes, that is G. Tapos may katabi neto, ano na ang base dyan? Very good. Yes, that will be Ga. Ga. And with this one, di ba pag ito lang, hihinga ka lang, tapos may katabing A, that will be awesome. Yes, that is Ha. Ha. How about this one? What is the sound of this? Perfect. Yes, that will be J. J. Tapos may katabing A. Very good. Yes, that will be Ja. J, J, A, Ja. And this one, ano nga uli ang sound neto? Yes, this is letter K and the sound of letter K is K. Tapos may katabing A, ano base dyan? Wow, very good. Yes, that will be Ka. Ka. And with this one, di ba ito ang sound L? May katabing A. Ano na base dyan? Good job. Yes, that will be La. La. This one. Perfect. Yes, that will be M. Tapos, A. O, i-combine mo na. That will be Ma. Good job. Ma. And this one, di ba ito? N. O, tapos katabi neto A. Paano na ang base dyan? Perfect. Yes, that will be Na. One more time. Na. And with this one, good job. Yes, that is P. P. Tapos may katabing A. Pa. Very good. Yes, pa. And this one, R and then A. So a combination, that will be Ra. Ra. And with this one, o, i-combine mo na. Di ba alam mo na ang sound neto? S. Very good. Tapos, A. O, pagsamahin na natin. Ang base dyan ay perfect. Yes, that will be Sa. Sa. And with this one, di ba ang sound neto? T. T. Tapos, may A sa katabi. So, ang base dyan ay Ta. Alright, so in English, let me clarify. Ang sound neto, T. Pero 'di ba kapag Tagalog ang babasahin natin, kakagatin lang natin ng konti yung ating dila. So, ang base diyan pag Tagalog ay ta, ta. Pero pag English, that will be ta, ta. Okay? And this one, 'di ba ito ang sound neto v. Tapos may A na katabi, ano na base diyan? Very good. Yes, that will be va, va. And this one, di ba ito? W. Tapos may katabing A. Pagsamahin natin yung sound, ang basa dyan ay perfect. Yes, that will be wa, wa. And this one, what is the sound of this again? Yes, that will be ks, ks. Tapos may katabing A. Ano na basa dyan? Awesome! Yes, that will be ksa, ksa. How about this one? Ano uli ang sound neto? Yes, that will be. Tapos may katabing A. Ang basa dyan ay perfect. Yes, that will be ya, ya. And with this one, di ba ito z? Tapos may katabing A. Ano na basa dyan? Excellent. Yes, that will be za, za. Hello everyone! If this video helps you learn how to read, please like and follow Chur Ivy's Facebook and TikTok account. Don't forget to share para madami pang maturuan si Chur Ivy bumasa. Also, you may visit her YouTube channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Good job! You already know how to read. I'm so proud of you. Congratulations! So, until next video, okay? Bye for now!